Art and Sandals family, how are you guys doing? I hope all of you are doing well during the lockdown. I've also been doing well, but without being able to go out and go into restaurants, we've been really struggling to create some really lovely food at home. So I decided to kind of order in a few things so that I can make my favorite things right off at home. So one of the things that I ordered, it's from this website called Meetigo, the link of which I'm going to be dropping in the description below, and these are the things that I ordered. So there's some momos, there's some sausages, and there are some burger patties. Guys, before moving ahead, do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon, and do let us know in the comments below what are the products that you would like us to review and put along in our channel. So guys, Meetigo is a primary charcuterie company which offers some really amazing artisanal meats that you can order in to your home. They deliver all across Delhi NCR, so that's Delhi, Gurgaon, Noida, even Indrapuram where I live, so they're delivering. And we will be showing you their website which you can check out and order all the items that you really need. What we really ordered was, first of all, we ordered these chicken momos from Prasuma. So they are available in 2 or 3 different flavors, like there's a spicy chicken one, there are some pork momos if you want to order, and these come along with the dip also. Along with this, there's a really amazing selection of cold cuts that you'd really love to check out. So what we did order was these really amazing spicy Italian pork sausages, and along with that I also wanted to have some burgers, so I really ordered up 2 of their burger patties. One is the desi chicken one and their signature lamb burger. So before this all starts melting off and getting warm, let me go and cook it out. First thing that we're gonna try out is the momos. Now Prasuma is one company that you can find in a lot of places, not just on Meetigo, but you can find them in a lot of the shopping markets or even some premium grocery stores. So what Prasuma actually gives is a range of momos along with the chutneys. So we've got quite a few flavors behind them. There's a spicy chicken one, there's a normal chicken one, and there's a pork one. So we've just ordered this one out, and let's see how it kind of like tastes. What we have here are 24 momos packed in a really good package, and this is priced at INR 295. Guys, we've made out the momos now and we're going to give it a taste. These look really amazing and these smell really amazing too. So what we have done is just created them out to be pot stickers. As you all know, just fried them up in a bit of oil and given it a steam along with that. So along with the packet of momos, Prasuma also offers this amazing momo sauce which has got a lot of garlic and a lot of spice in it. So let us just dig into it and see how these momos have come out to be. Looks quite big, has got very crunchy base that we've made it out to be. So the momos are really juicy and they've got a huge amount of flavor in it. Because they're so juicy and soft, even after refrigeration they taste really amazing. You can actually feel the meat coming into the flavors, and there's another flavor actually that they have. It's called the spicy chicken, so we are also going to try that out and let you know how they come out to be. The sauce, on the other hand, isn't extremely spicy. The ones that you get roadside, it isn't like that. That it's filled with red chili. It's got that mild hint of garlic and that mild amount of spice. That makes it for a perfect sauce. So guys, do check this one out from Prasuma. These momos out from Prasuma, and this is something that you must try out during this lockdown. Hey guys, so the burgers are done and we were really impressed with what Meatigo had to give with their patties while cooking. The lamb patty and the chicken patty was giving a really amazing flavors. So we did it on a grill pan to create some, that smoky flavor, and also did some caramelized onions along with it. So what I have here is both of our burgers, some potato wedges that we made at home, and a salad. And obviously you have to have some cold drink along with that. So I'm just going to show you the burgers. They have been made really well, and as you can see, this is the lamb patty and it's still quite juicy out here. I'm just going to take a dig into it and let you know how it goes. So this is a good thick chunk of meat that we have, and it's got some really amazing flavors. It's still quite juicy and it gives up a huge amount of flavors when you kind of dig into it. Let's try the chicken one and then let you know how it goes. The chicken one usually gets a bit dry, but I'm expecting some better flavors here. This is the desi chicken version, and let's try it out. Because the patty is so thick, it gives off really amazing flavors, and because it's a desi chicken version, it's got some really bold spices, so you can get the hit of those flavors out here. This is not unlike any of the patties that I have tried out from Venky's or from other meat products that you can find normally in a supermarket, because they're usually very thin and the flavor usually doesn't come through for a really thick burger. So guys, do try this out and let us know how you like these patties. So guys, I cooked these really awesome sausages that I got from Meatigo, and surprise, they let out quite a bit of oil in the pan itself. You can see it's already dipped with the fat itself. It looks quite nice, smells quite amazing. It's got that really smoky and spicy flavor. Let's give it a go. Love the casing outside, love the hit of spice in it, and love the hit of fruit that has gone into it. This is a really amazing sausage. We ordered a packet which has around 5 sausages, 5 quite big ones, which obviously shrink after cooking. The price around 250 rupees. So this is one investment that you definitely should